Hey, this is Chris with vidsociety.com, and today I'm going to be doing a review for you on a WordPress plugin called Backlink Machine. This is version 3, which is new for 2020. I've actually had this plugin since it was first released, and there's been a lot of updates and features added to it. It's very well maintained, and what this plugin does ultimately is it helps you to build backlinks to your WordPress pages and your posts to help boost authority and rankings in search engines. So what I'm going to do in this video is take you inside one of my WordPress themes. I'm going to show you how the plugin works. And below this video, you're going to find some links. One of them will take you to my newly redesigned website where you can get more details about Backlink Machine, and you can learn about the upsells, the pricing, and a full list of bonuses you can pick up if you happen to buy it through my website. So let's go ahead and jump in here. This is actually a WordPress theme from my course WP Affiliate Suite. I installed it on a theme here that I tend to do a lot of just tests on. And so let's go in here. We'll go into back into WordPress. Now you can see here it says Backlink Machine 3. It's a WordPress plugin like any other. You just upload it, you install it. Now the thing about this tool is that what it does, this plugin, is it is integrated with a network of about 10,000 sites. And basically you can use any one of your WordPress posts or pages to send these links to help build its authority and rankings. So for example, we have a list of options here. We have where we can add backlinks, and so what this does is it allows us to manually enter a URL that's for our domain, where we can enter keywords, which are going to be for our anchor text, and we can choose a number of backlinks we want. We can choose the type of backlinks. We can choose mixed platforms, or we can specifically choose whether we want any type of these links here. Now, as you'll notice, most of these links, these are not going to be your super strong links, obviously, because to get those, you're going to be paying $10, $20, $30 per link to get those. But these links are to help diversify your anchor text and to build authority. And if you're targeting low competition keywords, maybe some even medium, these are going to help you to rank for those. And so what you would do is simply choose one of these. I would recommend doing mixed platforms so you get a variety of different backlinks coming to your site. And you can also now choose a niche. This was not available in the previous version. And by choosing a niche, it's going to allow your articles to be specific to the website it's posting the backlink on, which is going to help it with authority. So this is the tool itself if you come in here and you want to do everything manual. Now what I like to do is if we go over here to post section, this is going to show you all the posts that are created on this site. Now something else that's new in this version 3 is all of this information here that gives you basically an overall SEO score of how well your article is optimized. And so the higher the number, then the better and more likely it is going to rank. So what you want to try to do is to get the score of each of your posts around 100% or as close as possible as you can. It tells you here how many words, the readability of it, the keyword you're targeting, the density, whether the keyword's in the title, URL, if you have H2 and H3 tags, if there's any links or images and alternate tags or videos. And these are huge ranking factors, every one of these, which is great because with this tool, it's going to show you right off if you left something out. So what we can do is we can come over here and we can see all the posts we have on our site. Even if they're old posts, you can still go back and you can do this for the old posts on your site. So what we can do is go ahead first and click on Edit Post. It's going to open up the post. It's going to show us the content of it, which you can see is just a generic article with a title and a table of contents. And over here on the right hand side, we have a keyword that we entered. And this is the main keyword we want to target, and we want this plugin to analyze for us to show us our SEO score. We can see our keyword density is very low. We only have it listed maybe once or twice in the article, which isn't good. You want to have it several times. The readability is okay. The words are okay. Keyword and title, yes. Keyword and URL, yes. But we don't have any H2, H3 tags, any links, any images, alternate images, or videos, which all of this is recommended for best SEO practices. Now, if you scroll on down, you're going to see you can click on info and it'll take you to like a knowledge base where you can learn more about how this tool works. But if you click on suggestions, this is really neat. because what it does is it actually tells you based on that keyword what you can do to help boost its rankings. And so it gives you all this information here. You can find images from Pixabay to put on your post. You can search YouTube to find videos to put on your post. And you can also create backlinks here. You can get keyword ideas. So if we click on keyword ideas, what it's going to do is it's going to analyze that article for us, take some keywords out, and it's going to put together a list of keywords for us. We can see here, along with an estimated monthly searches, AdWord bids, and along with competition. And it's going to show us all these keywords that we can target and also add within the article to help optimize it. Okay, so some other options we have right here is you can see you can view the post here, and you can view suggestions right here to make it easier for every post. You can click on here to get a better idea of what needs to be done to properly optimize each article. Now, once all that's done, you can start getting backlinks. So we can come over here and click on Get Backlinks. It's going to automatically add the slug for this URL. And then we want to add keywords here. Okay, so you can manually add keywords. You can do Get Keyword Ideas, and it's going to automatically pull keywords based upon that article and put them in this box. Or what you can do, and just to mention too, this is actually really well done because they even throw in anchor text such as this here, which is very common and used within a lot of backlink building to make it look more natural. But if you want more keywords than this, you can click on search keywords. You can type in whatever your keyword is you want to look for, type search, and it's going to bring back all these keywords here. And so you can see here we got Google, we got Amazon, YouTube, Bing, and Wikipedia. We can get all these details from and simply click them and add them and use selected keywords, and it'll add them to our box here. Next, all we have to do, let me drag this back up just a little bit, is we can choose how many backlinks we want. I'm just going to choose 100. Mixed platforms. For category, we would want it to do with something with health. And what we could do is just scroll down here and use nutrition and click Get Backlinks. That's all there is to it. It does all the work. It does all the posting on the network of 10,000 plus sites that they have, and they're always adding more to it. Now, if you read this, it says we drip feed all the links over a period of 4 to 10 days so it appears natural to Google. So you don't have to worry about it doing it all at once and it hurting your site or banning it. Now, I don't recommend that you use too many links if you have a brand new website. You want to kind of take it easy, start off with 100, let it drip feed over time. Okay, now if we go on down through here, you're going to see where the log, and the log basically tells you everything that you've done so far. So we can see the post we just made, the keywords we used, the number of links, we can see that it's processing, and once it's done, we can view the report of all those links. Now this is a really neat feature too, domain stats. It goes over and shows you all the stats about your website or your domain based upon the Moz rank. Now you do have to have a free API from Moz to do this. It is free. You basically go into your settings, it tells you how to get it, you click a link, you log in, and it gives you the free API, you add it, and it will give you all this information about your site. It'll show you the top backlinks going to your site, the anchor text, whether they're no follow or do follow. Now there's also a 404 errors, and this is really neat because this was an expired domain that I purchased, and I've just been using it just to do testing on, but I didn't realize how many links I have here that are 404, which means they're dead pages, that they no longer exist. And so what I could do is I could get a WordPress plugin, one that's like a 404 to home page. So what it would do is redirect all of these dead links to my home page instead of going to a 404 page. And what that does is it will send the link juice from all of these pages to my home page, which can drastically help with increasing the authority of my site and boosting the rankings. Next, we have internal links. So with internal links, this is really easy for you to link internally from one page to another. And basically all you would do here is put in a keyword, put in the URL you want it to link to, and click Save Changes. And what it's going to do is it's going to find all those keywords throughout all the pages or posts on your website, and it's going to hyperlink them and link them to whatever link you have here. Next is a rank checker, where you can check the top results in Google for your keyword in different countries. But basically this is the plugin, It is a massive plugin with tons of value, tons of SEO benefits of just not building backlinks, but properly helping you to SEO optimize your articles. Now, the other thing that I want to talk to you before you go out and buy this is, first of all, you want to visit my website to learn about the upsells, because I'm going to talk to you about one of the upsells right now, which is the Pro version, and in my opinion, extremely worth the investment, especially if you pick up the front end of Backlink Machine, because this is something new that's in version 3.0 as well. And what it is it's a web-based option for using Backlink Machine. The benefit of this is you can use it to link to any domain, any website, any video, whereas the plugin itself runs directly on your website. Therefore, it'll only post to the post that you have on your website. You can only get backlinks to the post on your site. This here is the web-based version you get if you buy the OTO Pro version, the first upsell. And what it'll allow you to do is add as many URLs as you want here. If you have videos, whatever it is, tier 2 links, anything, you can paste them in here, choose how many links you want, the platforms, the niche, any amount of keywords you want for anchor text, and build backlinks, and it's going to build backlinks to them. Think about the possibilities for this if you have a ton of videos, if you have a ton of niche sites, if you do mass page building, mass videos, if you have clients, if you want to build up authority to tier 2 blogs, to Facebook pages, to Tumblrs, or anything like that. That is what this tool can be used for, and really help you to do that. But over here you can see it has a lot of tools. It will even automatically send the links to a paid indexing service that Backlink Machine uses to index your links for you. So you don't have to worry about having an indexing service. You don't have to worry about captchas. You don't have to worry about investing in a monthly tool to build these sites for you, proxies or anything. It's all done for you in this one tool. So that's the link builder. This here basically just shows you the index pages. There is a keyword tool which is similar to the other one. We can just type in, say, healthy food, and it's going to go out, and very quickly it's going to give us all these keywords, which we can select and choose, add to URLs, backlinks, and build backlinks for it. There's link campaigns you can set up to drip feed over a period of 30 days. Links, the link indexer, there's top search queries, there's link analysis, backlink count. There's just so much in this tool to help you with your business, to help you with your WordPress site, and to help you with your rankings. I highly recommend that you invest in Backlink Machine and the Pro version of it. Now the other ones, they're optional, okay? But I do recommend the first OTO with this one if you want to invest in them. But this is my review of Backlink Machine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to check out the link under this video. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have questions, leave them below, and I will try to get to them as soon as I can. Thanks.